Hey everyone, George Jamieson with William Ravis Real Estate. Just here today on a property on site at North Street, Hingham, that I sold to a customer, and it's a total rehab. So I'm going to give you a little documentary as it goes along, the before and after pictures. And I thought it would be helpful for people that might be considering making the same type of purchase and rehabbing an old house. So we're inside the first floor now. You're going to see a lot of these old houses were built with a lot of smaller rooms, a lot of walls, a lot of doors. And so today, obviously, nobody really wants that. Everybody wants more of an open space plan. So the architect has designed a 22-foot steel beam that'll run the length of these two rooms in between the kitchen, dining room, and living room. And once that goes in, all of these studs can come out, and this will be all open space, which will be great. It has a really nice front entrance foyer. The floors are all going to get redone. These hardwoods are no good. All the heating system, all the baseboard hot water heat is gone. Taking out that hearth on the basically it was a flue vent for a stove, not a fireplace, as you can see. One of the things we did run into is this center chimney, which we knew was there, but we just didn't know how big it was. And so now that it's all opened up, it really is in the way of the kitchen and just sits right there in the middle of the house. So it needs a ton of masonry work, so it's about half the cost of actually taking the whole thing down, which will really open up this space. And that's what the owner has decided to do. So over here will be a bathroom, washer dryer room, and back here is another room, which will be either a den or a dining room. So this is actually going to be the kitchen here, and you can see now it takes a lot of vision when you get to this point, but doesn't look very good. However, it's got 9-foot ceilings, which is really cool. So there'll be, it'll make it feel extra big in here, and there'll be a nice lighting package. So some of the things that you do have to sort of plan on is some of the unknowns. And one of the things was this main sewer pipe coming from the second floor is completely cracked floor to ceiling. And so that's going to cost thousands of dollars extra. There's always something, so you have to plan on it. When those things are covered up in the walls, you just don't know. This is the second floor up here. I'll give you a quick view. All these floors are going to get redone. Again, there's that chimney in the middle of the house, so that's going to come out. This will end up being the master bedroom, and here with the little master closet, and then this area here is going to be the second floor bathroom with a new tiled shower. Obviously everything new. So this is the beginning phase, and it's going to look great when it's all done. So I will check back in with you as we progress.